Hello, my name is Kayla Murphy, and I am a senior at East Carolina University, and I am majoring in psychology with a minor in sociology. And this is my Nexus city video assignment. The city that I chose for this project is a fairly small town called Holly Springs, and it is located southwest of Raleigh, North Carolina, which is towards the middle of the state. It is part of Wake County, which is one of the most largest counties in North Carolina. The closest surrounding cities are Apex, Cary, and Fuquay-Varina. In this video, I will be providing a little historical background information on the town of Holly Springs and its population and socio-demographic data trends for the city from 1990 to 2020. The town of Holly Springs was founded in 1877. For comparison, the scale of Holly Springs is only 521 million square feet, and Queens, New York is 3.014 billion square feet. The natural features of Holly Springs are that there are about 5 parks and a couple of greenways. Harris Lake is also the local lake with a park. Holly Springs is near 2 rivers. Those rivers are the Neuse River and the Cape Fear River Basin. The early industries were sawmills and cotton gins. People chose to settle in this town because of the churches and schools. People wanted to take advantage of the opportunities of education for their children. Holly Springs was founded by a man named George Benton Alford. He lived in a house that is still up to this day. Although the downtown has grown, it was still built in the same location that it is today. Now we can take a deeper dive into the data and demographics of the town. If you look at Table 1, you will see the population of the town of Holly Springs was only 1,375 in 1990. And then in 2020, it was 41,258. That is a 290.06 increase. As shown in Table 2, the median age for males and females were the same in 1990. That median age was 31.5 years old. For the males, there was a larger percentage increase than women. That percentage was a 16.5% increase, while the women's percentage was an only 9.2% increase. Men went from 31.5 to 36.7, and women went from a 31.5 to a 34.3 years old. As illustrated in Table 3, the racial composition for people in the town for 1990 was whites was 3,149, African American was 2,576, American Indian was 27, and Asian was 14. Then in 2020, white was 30,976, African American was 3,567, American Indian was 137, and Asian was 2,256. Following that same order, the percentage change was 88.4 increase, 39% decrease, 407% increase, and 160.14% increase. From these percentages, the major changes were seen in the American Indian and Asian communities. If you look at the bottom of this table, you will see the percentage of change in the Hispanic community was a 580% increase. Then the white non-Hispanic percentage of the change was 112.9%. In Table 4, it shows the educational attainment from 2000 to 2020. In 2010, the total of people that graduated high school was 238, and there was a 109.7% increase from then to 2020. The total of people that graduated college in 2000 was 2,228 people, with a 274% increase to 2020. The number of people that were 25 years and above was a total of 5,790 people in 2000, with a 280.12% increase. According to Table 5, the median household income in 1990 was about $81,200, and then it went up to $132,679 in 2020. That is a 63% increase. Table 6 shows the median per capita in 2000 was $28,580, and then it was $42,349 in 2020, and that is a 48.2% increase. Shown in Table 7, the total percentage of people living in poverty is, in 2000, there was a 20.8%, and in 2020, it was 13.8%. That is a negative 0.34% decrease. As illustrated in Table 8, the median housing value in 2010 was $231,800, and in 2020 it was $354,500, and that is a 53% increase. In conclusion, in this video I went over the total population, and then I broke them down into certain races in the population. I also went over populations' ages and in education. Then I went over different medians of income and housing. Some important things to look at are the increased population with certain races, and also the increased housing income, because it is important that people are making more money to be able to pay the cost of living in this growing town. And this is my reference page. Thank you.